Hi YouTube, in this video we're going to install Gimp on your Windows PC. So I'm going to open up a browser and I'm going to search for GIMP for Gimp, and the first thing that will come up is Gimp, the GNU Image Manipulation Program. You want to click on that. I'm going to click to download, and I want to download Gimp directly, so I'm going to do that. Okay, once Gimp is downloaded, you'll click on this setup.exe file. I'm going to click Install for all users. After prompting to make changes to my device, the language will come up. I'm going to keep mine as English, but you can switch it. I'm going to click OK, then Install. Okay, now I'm going to click Finish. I'll go down here and I will search for Gimp. And now I can open it. And there you go. Gimp is installed. Congratulations. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.